Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add outline to image in Photoshop. First of all, select your image and from here we need to select quick selection tool. Once you select it, just make the selection just like this, and we just need to select our subject around we want to create the outline. And also, if you just make any kind of mistake like this, you can just hold your Alt key and just subtract that just like this. Okay, and if you want to make the brush smaller, bigger, in that case you can just use the brackets from your keyboard. Okay, and once you're done with the selection, just hit Ctrl+J and you will see that the new layer is formed. So on this layer we need to hit right click on blending options. Now here select stroke, and here you can just choose the outline color. You can just choose red, blue, any color you want, you can just choose that. And once you do that, here you can just adjust the outline size, and as you're done with this, just click on OK. And yeah, there you go, we have added the outline. So yeah, that's it. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.